Hello. My name is Teddy and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing my June Birthstone nails, the Pearl. And let's get right into this video. Here we have Odor Out Acrylic Liquid Neutralizer. It's peach. My STG Pro Monomer and my STG Dipping and Sculpting Powder. These are the products that I use. My Model 1's Liquid Latex Polish and my Beetles Stiletto dual forms. So this is acrylic. I mixed it with some iridescent glitter. That's the first one. And then the second one, I used some eyeshadow. And I guess it's like a pearl essence. The Belly Pierre cosmetic is called Excite. And I mixed it. Like you can see the difference, but you can't really see it that well on the camera. And I was like, damn, I really wanted y'all to see the color. Like you can see it now as I'm putting it in the dual form, but I like how the eyeshadow and the acrylic mix. Like it was very pretty. And then the iridescent, once you dipped it in the monomer, it was all greenish, and there's a lot of pretty colors that's in the iridescent glitter. So I really had fun mixing this. I really wanted to look very pearly and, pearl-like. And I think that eyeshadow it gave me exactly what I was looking for. I should have used more of the eyeshadow instead of the iridescent glitter. But I think it still came out cute. And I tried to do a marble and then two full glitters. And then the pinky was all eyeshadow. I'm going to call it a pearlescent acrylic, and then the thumb was like half and half. I did like it was half and half, like the pearl on one side and the glitter on the on the right side. But the only one that was marble was my ring finger, and I had to take my thumb. My thumb came off. Y'all gonna see that in the video. I had put 2 coats of the glue on my nails, and matter of fact, my pointer and my thumb, they was already coming off. So I had to redo. Like, matter of fact, I did do a whole period of pearlescent nail for my thumb. But then it came off. So that's how I ended up doing half and half. But I think I'm going to do this again and just keep it all pearlescent. And just, have that shiny, pearly look. Because that was really pretty. Like, I would have never thought to mix that. Because I was like, okay, every time I do birthstone nails, I try to keep it, or I want it to be similar, just like the birthstone itself. And I had these flat back pearls laying around, and I did have the round ones, but I didn't like the way the round ones looked on the nails. So I was like, well, let me use the flat ones. And since the flat ones were kind of wide, like I had to place it on a certain part of the nail so that it can, it sit on the nail without looking all jacked up. Because at first I was like, it's looking kind of jacked up. It was. So I had to place it the way that it needed to be for it to look cute on the nail. And I put it on the middle finger, the ring finger, and my thumb. Because those were the nails that was wide enough for the pearl to sit on. And then, I placed some diamonds around it. Not diamonds. Not diamonds. Crystals. I'm going to call them crystals. Swarovski. So, am I saying that right? Swarovski crystals? That's how I'm going to say it. So, as you see, right there, I did a full pearl. And if y'all, I know y'all looking like, why do I have, like, the dual form, from the one side wall to the middle of my nail? I have really wide nail beds. So for the thumb, I had to do it twice. So whenever you see me using stilettos, I would have to do that twice. I don't have to do it with the other dual forms, but with that dual form, I have to do it twice. And as you see, it came off. I'm end up showing the nail that came off. But this set was very like classic and classy and just very pretty. Like I really like the direction that I went with it. So you will see. I might still do both, but it's gonna be like all glitter, all the iridescent glitter, a nail set, and then the pearlescent nail set. Because that eyeshadow is pretty. I wanted to put some on my eye to see what it looked like, but I was like, I've been having it sit in the drawer for all this time. Now my eye might break out. So yeah, I left it alone. So you'll see it on my nails again. Cause as eyeshadow, it's very sheer. Like it's not even. It don't even like. Yeah, I was like, it's so thick. I wish I can like you could see how thick it is. It almost looked chalky. Like that's why I was like, this is a really thick acrylic. Like once I mixed it all together, it looked real. You see the iridescent look kind of thin, but then you see how thick that eyeshadow is. But then when I was turning it over, it was like I wouldn't even get anything in there because the little holes were so small. But that's all eyeshadow. Like there's more eyeshadow than acrylic. So as I was waiting for my thumb to dry, I went ahead and shaped the rest of my nails and filed them and made sure I didn't break off any of the points like I did in the previous video because I'm good for that. I'll get the filing these stiletto nails and then all the little points will pop off and I'll be like, God damn it. Now I gotta take these off or try to add the little sharp ends to it again. Like who does that? Or I go click the light on and then it'll pop off. I'm like, damn, I just did this. And now it's look like a coffin. And I'm like, it's not supposed to be a coffin. Stiletto. Keep the points on. So I didn't even get up. I waited till everything dried. And I made sure I use my right hand. Because I'm telling y'all, every time I go to cut a light off with these stilettos, I break the point off. So I just use my right hand for everything once after I was done with these. So I did have to reapply my pointer finger over because that fell off. And then after that was it. Like I didn't have to mess with the other nails. They stayed on. So like as you see, I'm filing and I'm shaping. And I'm going to add some crystal glue or rhinestone glue. I forgot the name of the one I have. I don't even think it's in English, to be honest with you. But I have the link for it, so you ain't got to worry about that. I had a link for that. And I applied it to the ones that was going to get the pearls and the rhinestones. And then I added some top coat. I used Sally Henson's top coat. And you don't even have to put this in a UV LED lamp. It dries really fast. Super fast. So I didn't even have to do all of that. And I was like, I needed to use it more because I need to see how other products work. Because I do need some more top and base coat. I've been using it a lot. I do more practicing than actual videos. So, yeah, I have to get some more. So that's how I came across Sally Henson. I bought it in Walgreens. I got 2 of them. I forgot how much it was. And it was more than $2, I can tell you that. But it wasn't over 10, but it was more than 2. So just letting y'all know that right now. And I just had fun with these nails, y'all. Like, I had so much fun because I never did. I'll never do any sets like I did before. So I keep saying it like I'm just out here doing nails. All my sets is something I've never did before. So that's why I'm always having fun with this. I don't think this will never get old for me. The brush I used was a number 12.
Ooh.
And
Mom, I found something.
What?
Okay.
Girl. Oh, I can't even record in peace. Anyway. Well, somehow, oh yeah, my brush. So it's a number 12 brush. I think the name of it is Cars. I'm going to link for that brush too. And that's the nail I was telling you about. That was my thumbnail, or half of a thumbnail. So I'm removing all the dust and the grit and everything off my nails with alcohol.
Hey, people.
Because I told you I was not getting up to go and wash my hands. Hey, I meant that. I was not.
Hey, people.
Because something was going to break.
Hey, people.
Shh, be quiet, girl.
Hey, people.
Shh.
Hey, people.
So this is the finished results of my nails. And, oh, here I am showing y'all my brush. The video not even done yet. Shh. Oh, Lord. I'm about to end this voiceover. Oh, these are the pearls that I use. And I got these from Dollar General as well. See? Little flat back pearls. They're in the art section. You can buy them out of there. They either was $1 or $2. Not over $3. And I'm going to use the glue and place the glue on my nails and add rhinestones to all my nails. And, just make it look very cute. Like as I did. Shh. And I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Or if you don't, I'm going to put a spider in your bed.
I'm going to edit it out. Y'all enjoy the rest of this video.
Like, subscribe, and hit that
Shh,
bell.
you already said that. Shh.
Stop putting spider in your bed.
Y'all stay safe. Be kind. Be calm. Have a great day. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Bye.
I'm going to come to your house. Peace.